Stay hydrated, kids.
Good stuff.
Not really.
I forgot to put a word in the script.
I am so clumsy. I'm a klutz. I didn't forget how to make lemonade, Dad. Why would I forget that? That's such a simple and easy, and such a trivial task to do.
Keyhole Jenkins from the Keyhole Jenkins YouTube channel.
Is there YouTube? Oh, that's cringe.
More confidence in my voice. Now, Sir Edward III, please. I need to record this line. Yeah, sir, mine on it. I'm gonna blow your house down, bro. This one goes out to my English class. Ew, I'm dying for the third time. That sounds nothing like your voice at all, Bugs Bunny. Doesn't sound like yours either. Dammy duck. What? Oh, yeah. Actually, I guess you're right. I mean, it's not that bad. At least I don't have that annoying raspy voice anymore. That's kind of nice. Yeah, that's probably good. I see your voice tone down too. Yeah, pretty much, Doc. Greg Simpson from Family Guy, from Family's Burgers. This video is absolutely hilarious. I am crying right now because of how funny it is. Yeah, I know you're probably also crying because I sound deaded like a corpse. And so much so that I could actually be a corpse in the ground. Being dead. And you are crying because I have died and will not make any more videos. Even though I will continue to make videos, and this is actually just a joke, a recording that I am doing right now. I am funny, and no one can tell me otherwise. No one. And if they do, they are wrong. No argument. It's not like opinions exist. No, there is just a uniform. There's just one uniform fact that everyone must follow for every single thing I mentioned. There's no such thing as opinions. Opinions, get out of here. We totally don't want you because opinions are totally not healthy. They are totally not a reasonable thing to have. It's something that everyone should have as a member in this functioning society. No opinion. Stop it.